Understanding the phrase, health nut. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across, health nut. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also its origins and how to use it in your daily conversations. The term, health nut, is colloquially used to describe someone who is extremely enthusiastic about health and fitness. This person often follows a strict diet, exercises regularly, and is always on the lookout for new ways to improve their physical well-being. For example, Jane is such a health nut, she goes to the gym every day. Mike always has a smoothie in his hand. He's a real health nut. The term, nut, in health nut, doesn't refer to the edible seed. Instead, nut has been slang in English for a crazy or eccentric person since the early 20th century. When combined with health, it describes someone who is intensely passionate or maybe even a little obsessive about health and wellness. To give you a clearer understanding, here are a few more examples of how health nut can be used. 1. Ever since he read that book on nutrition, Robert has become a real health nut. 2. If you need advice on the best organic foods to buy, ask Lisa. She's a health nut. 3. I never thought I'd become such a health nut, but feeling good has become a priority for me. So there you have it. Now, when someone refers to a health nut, you'll know they're talking about someone who's super passionate about staying healthy and fit. We hope you found this video informative, and remember, whether you're a health nut or not, it's always great to care about your well-being. Until next time,